Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are listening to Jungle Entertainment. You are daily welcome. Here we give you silly hodges of what is trending in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world at large. If you are new in our midst, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like, so as to get the latest update on what is trending. Yeah, what is really trending right now? The Grammy Awards has been trending over the weekend. Yeah, Burna Boy won the Grammy. Wizkid also won the Grammy. The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the ruling party have congratulated the winners on their Grammys, Wizkid and Burna Boy. That's what has been trending. So many things have been trending actually. Bobrisky has also been trending. Bobrisky has also been trending. According to RMD Richard Mofe Domijo, he said it is no longer news as the country has been celebrating their two giants, Burna Boy and Wizkid, for winning Grammy Awards. This has put Nigerian music on top of Africa, as it has always been. But this has not gone well with one of our giants, Davido, as many have been shading him for not being among the winners of the Grammy. That's actually what has been trending. People have been shading Davido. Do you have this faith or this hope that Davido will win the Grammy someday? Is Davido a good musician? Drop your comments below. Still on this Grammy issue, one of Davido's boys, Mayokun, he tweeted recently. Mayokun said it's only off from here for African music. Congratulations, Kings. Congratulations, Nigeria. Congratulations, Africa. That is coming from Davido's boy, Mayokun. He's actually congratulating Wizkid and Davido for their wins. What are your takes on that? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Someone also tweeted, this guy is funny. Uche Madragu, he actually made a video. He said, if Davido marries Chioma this year, 2021, that he will win the Grammy. And this guy came up recently to tell us he's gay. And he is now prophesying that if Davido marries Chioma, his fiancée, this year, that he will win the Grammy. What are your takes on that? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Is this guy normal? Is he okay? Whatever you think, you are right. Drop your comments below for us. We're still on this Grammy issue. Davido hasn't won the Grammy. That doesn't mean he won't win the Grammy in future. Davido is a superb musician. If you are counting 5 musicians from Africa, Davido will definitely be on that list. And if you are counting the top 3 music artists in Nigeria right now, Davido will definitely be on that list. According to what RMD said, Davido is one of our giants. He didn't win the Grammy this year, doesn't mean he won't win the Grammy in the future. And Davido has been doing exceptionally very well. He's been doing well. His albums have been selling. He's been dropping hits back to back. Recently, he also acted in a Hollywood movie coming to America. He actually performed a song on that movie. Davido has been doing well. He's been known globally. He has not won the Grammy, doesn't mean he is not good. We have other artists in the United States of America, so many artists out there. They've been singing, they've been dropping hits back to back, and they haven't won a Grammy. Most of them have been nominated, but remember, Davido has won awards. He has won the Nigerian awards, our own Grammy, which is the Headies. He has also won the BET award. Come on, man, Davido has been doing very well. He didn't win the Grammy in 2020, doesn't mean he won't win the Grammy in the nearest future. For now, congratulations to Burna Boy and Wizkid on your wins. Recently, someone also came up with this idea, and he's been attacking Wizkid fans. What this guy said has been hitting on Wizkid fans. He said, sometimes I am worried for Wizkid. I know he doesn't shout but it looks like nothing really excites him anymore. People have been complaining about Wizkid. He doesn't say anything. Recently, Wizkid won the Grammy. We've not heard anything from him. Fine, Burna Boy gave a speech when he won the award, but Wizkid, he had not been silent. Someone also tweeted, a Wizkid fan also dropped a tweet. The person's name is the message specialist. He said, Wizkid sold his soul, maybe. Well, we can't see. Someone also tweeted, Mimi Folabi. He said, no, that is what the media and industry made him to be. Wizkid used to be very active before, but the industry and media paid him back with hate and fake news. Glad he has found peace and happy with his family. That's why you won't see him react to hate tweets. Well, that is also nice. That is actually a good one. Yeah, it's actually a good one. Someone by the name Chuzi also tweeted, he said, I thought about this yesterday. What a coincidence. Concluded it was complex issue cause he short and getting old but still look like a kid. Nigeria, our problem too much. Our problem for this country too much. What has height got to do with complexity? Can you imagine the logic? It doesn't even rhyme. That Wizkid is short, he is getting old, and he still looks like a kid. Oh, come on, man. Nigeria, our wahala plenty for this country. Someone also tweeted, Folocom, the person's name is Folocom. He said the level of maturity Wizkid possesses is out of Nigeria. Despite everything he has achieved, he is still calm. You don't see them often. Wizkid is a legend. Wizkid is a legend, no doubt. Well, everybody has his own say. Everybody has his own say. Then someone also tweeted MOG. He said that's why his name is Wizkid. A kid that is filled with wisdom. Someone also tweeted, he said, I think he overdosed the IDGAF attitude a bit too much. IDGAF means I don't give a F word. Yeah, I can't use the F word anywhere. That Wizkid is overhyping that attitude. He's overusing the attitudes. IDGAF. Another person, Benga Samuel of Maryland, Twitter, he said, I think he's overdoing it. If you win an award as big as a Grammy, surely a little acknowledgement is in order. At least his attitude comes off as proud, and that IDGAF attitude may alienate his fans over time and may not win him new fans. This is actually true anyway. I see reasons with this guy, because Wizkid, at least he would have acknowledged his fans. Thank you very much for supporting me or something. He didn't say anything. He has not said anything. Unlike Burna Boy, you know, Burna Boy acknowledged his fans, Nigeria, Africa as a whole. Wizkid, we need you to say something. We need you to say something. What are your thoughts on that? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Yul Edochie has said he wants to be the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And remember, his father, Pete Edochie, gave him his blessing. Recently, Yul came up and tweeted, he said, I will be the best president Nigeria has ever had. Yul Edochie 2023. Will you vote for this guy? Don't forget to drop your comment below. Do you think he has what it takes to move Nigeria to the next level, to solve our problems? We have so many problems in this country. Sea, water, good roads, social amenities. Do you think this guy can take Nigeria to the next level? Will he be able to handle this country? What are your thoughts on that? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Congratulations to Emmanuela. She was nominated. I mean, we have so many wins this month. People have been winning stuff back to back. Congratulations to you, Emmanuela, for winning the Nickelodeon Kids Choice Award. That is huge. I mean, your comedy has been trending. Thank you very much once again for all of you who have been placing Nigeria on the world map. Emmanuela, Wizkid, Burna Boy, Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, you guys have been doing very well. This is 2021, and as I said earlier, this is the first quarter of 2021. We are in March, and we've been hearing so many good news, so many wins. We hope we'll keep winning like that before the end of this year. Remember, this is the first quarter. We've not even entered the second quarter of the year. Let's talk about the COVID-19 issue. So many persons have been scared of taking these vaccines. You know, we've heard discussions, you know, that the government of Nigeria went for the least potent vaccine, which is the AstraZeneca, the least potent. We have 4 vaccines. We have the AstraZeneca, we have the Pfizer, we have the Johnson & Johnson, and Moderna. But Nigeria went for the least potent, which is the AstraZeneca. Nigerians are scared of taking that vaccine because we've been hearing reports in other countries where the vaccine has been banned. Recently, the federal government said 8,000 Nigerians have been vaccinated and no adverse effects yet. The federal government of Nigeria has said that about 8,000 Nigerians have received their first dose of the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccines. The executive director of the Nigerian Primary Healthcare Development Agency, NPHCDA, Dr. Faisal Shaib, said this on Monday in Abuja at the joint national briefing of the Presidential Task Force (PTF) on COVID-19. He insisted that no serious adverse effects have been reported from those who have been vaccinated. What do you think about this? Will you take this vaccine? Will you take this vaccine? When it gets to you, don't forget to drop your comment below. If you won't take it, drop your comments. Tell us why. And if you will take it, tell us why you will take it. Don't forget to drop your comments below. Thank you very much for watching Jogelo Entertainment. We hope you are entertained. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like so as to get the latest update on what is trending, what is happening in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world at large. Take care of yourself and have a lovely day.